Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying decimals by powers of 10. Multiplying decimals by powers of 10 is a very simple process because of the way the decimal system operates. The following rules apply. When multiplying a decimal by 10, move the decimal point one place to the right. When multiplying a decimal by 100, move the decimal point two places to the right. When multiplying a decimal by 1,000, move the decimal point three places to the right, and so on. Now here are some examples. If you have 5.6 and you're multiplying by 10, you move the decimal point one place to the right. So here it is, and all you do is move it to there, one place to the right, and the answer is 56 because it's moved from there to there. And when the decimal point is after the last digit, you don't have to show it. Example 2, 34.87 times 10. Because you're multiplying by 10, move the decimal point one place to the right. So it moves from there to there, in between the 8 and the 7. So the answer is 348.7. Example 3, 34.652 multiplied by 100. Since we're multiplying by 100, move the decimal point two places to the right. So the decimal point is here. If you move it 1, 2, it ends up between the 5 and the 2. So the answer is now 3,465.2. Example 4, 56.8765 by 1,000. Since we're multiplying by 1,000, we move the decimal point three places to the right. So the decimal point is here, so we move it 1, 2, 3, and it ends up between the 6 and the 5. So the answer is 56,876.5. Now here are some simple conversions, and we're going to apply the same principles. Change 6.45 metres to centimetres. Now if we know that there are 100 centimetres in a metre, all we do, we go 6.45 metres will give us 6.45 times 100. So if we multiply by 100, that changes the answer to centimetres. So because we're multiplying by 100, move the decimal point two places to the right, and the answer is 645 centimetres. Example 6, change 3.458 kilometres to metres. If we know there are 1,000 metres in a kilometre, we have that 3.458 kilometres is 3.458 multiplied by 1,000. That answer will be in metres. So the answer is 3,458 metres. So this video has shown us how to multiply numbers by powers of 10, and we've also been able to do a few conversions in the metric system using the same principles.